on a Gen 3 Prius, after you replace the brake booster and or the brake booster with the brake booster pump, you can't just, it's not just plug and play. You can't just plug it in and run it. You have to use a Scantool to set a few things up again, and it's kind of confusing. I'll show you the Vdiag VD70. It is also similar to the Autel. It's kind of hard to find your way around, so I've tried to list it in order, the steps you need to do, or the functions you need to do. And I'll give you a bunch of still pictures of the different screens where you'll have to be, and then I'll give you a video where I kind of poke around on the tool and show you where some of the screens are. I didn't do a live recording of it when I did it, and it's probably good because I got off the track and went the wrong direction a few times, and I had to redo things. So it wouldn't have been much help for you, but I've tried to list in order as best I can tell the different functions you need to do after you replace the brake booster, and to get it to talk to all the rest of the ECUs and clear all your codes and turn all the lights off and make the regenerative braking work properly. So enjoy the video. Don't have much more else to say, so hope it helps.
you.